Basketball, you betcha I'm back ready to train you once again. Another week with my friends. Let's go. Now today I want you to find somebody you can do these drills with. It's always good to have a partner, and today, you know what, we're just gonna have a partner with our person working out today. So we want to make sure we get that encouragement and that support to keep working as hard as we can. And it's always good to see somebody next to you so you can kind of gauge how much harder you need to work or make them work as hard as you. All right, so make sure you go get a partner today while you're doing this workout so you can teach somebody some hoops. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is dribble, of course, and we're gonna go low dribbles first. Okay, that's gonna be 45 seconds today. You're gonna go mid dribble after. Okay, then after your mid dribble, you're gonna go with the high dribble. Remember, all this is gonna be stationary. Okay, then after you do that, we wanna make sure we're working our in and out. Okay, in and out is always a good dribble. You can call it the V dribble though. A lot of people call it in and out, but call it V dribbles. Okay, we wanna work that. That's more for ball control, keeping your hand on top of the ball, being able to feel it from a different angle. Okay, then we're gonna work on our pound and our cross. Okay, pound cross is important because that setup dribble is key to figuring out if you're going to cross it over or if you're going to keep going straight as your defender, or if you're going to pull it back too. Okay, so you have all those options, and then we are going to go through the legs. Okay, it's a simple move. It's another form of basically a crossover, but you're just crossing it back to your same hand after you push it through. Okay, then we are going to work a crossover through the legs. Okay, that's important. Definitely got to have that in our arsenal, and it's an important move, especially when you know how to protect the ball well and be on the go when you put the ball through your legs. Okay, so we're gonna do all of those 45 seconds each. All right, then after we do that, we are going to then work our pound crossover, cross back and go through the legs. We're gonna work that double combination, and we're also gonna work our pound double cross. So can't forget that one either. So again, we're working all these 45 seconds. Then we're gonna work all these on the move. Okay, as many moves as you can, and we're gonna do it in 30 seconds instead of 45 seconds because we're on the move. Okay, again, you got your double crossover. You're gonna have your cross through. Okay, you're going to have your in and out crossover. You're going to have your simple crossover. You might have a pound crossover through the legs. All the variations that we did standing still, you want to do on the move, and they're all going to be 30 seconds. Okay, now looking into this, remember you have a partner, so if you guys want to alternate taking turns, that's going to help you with a little bit more rest. If you guys want to go at the same time, that's great. You can pick up your pace, not necessarily have a race, but just see who can get the most dribbles in, possibly do the moves faster moving up the floor. It's just necessary to have someone that you can look over to and compare your skills to. Then you're going to go to the free throw line real quick, knock down 5 free throws, and then we're going to get right back to it. A nice new move that I haven't showed you is the pullback dribble. Okay, you're going to utilize this when changing direction, whether you're going at the elbow, if you're stopping more on the wing, even at the top too, it works. It's just another form of a crossover with a different leg stop variation, and this just gives you the opportunity to kind of work that quick stop without thinking about it, because you're more thinking about how to do the move. But the footwork of how we same leg stop for our acceleration deceleration drill is very similar to how you're going to step for this move. Okay, we want you to do this move in a 2-cone series side to side so you can really get the feel for it, and then you can drive and do the pullback move to get familiar with it. All right, again, 45 seconds. We're gonna go 2 times each on both sides, and that's gonna give you the ability to really get that feel for that move. I almost forgot that one. I'm glad I brought that one up. We got some more moves for you. Now we're gonna work like a little jab dribble, okay, where you kind of go forward at a defender and then you probably pull it back, but you're not gonna pull it back with like another move. You're just gonna pull it back normally. Okay, so you're just more clearing that space, trying to create a little bit more space. Then we're gonna put it together. We're gonna jab dribble, we're gonna pull it back, then we're gonna cross it over. Okay, so just working like not a triple move, but like a double move to help you create that space and get by a defender if you need it. Okay. Again, I can't stress enough to you about how to create space being a smaller player and just trying to more figure out your niche and how we are going to continue to get better here at Basketball U. Now we're going to put that through the legs move to use because we really haven't in any of our drills. So we're going to dribble straight down at you. Okay, we're attacking. And when we attack, again, you want to stop your momentum, put it through each leg, and then bring it back to the way that you were going. So if you started with your right hand, you want to make sure you open up. And again, we'll slow it down for you so you can see it. You want to plant, you want to put it to that left hand, then you want to bring it right. Kind of give a hesitation to make that read, and then go. Okay, you're going to do this on both sides 5 times. Again, we're just working new moves and moves that we know, right, that will work over time. All right, and then our next one is going to be our wave and explosion drill, which you've done before, okay, but it's going to be just on the straightaway with the one cone. We're not going to do wave, and explode. Okay, we're going attacking one time in transition. All right, stay low and take a good angle here. And again, you can finish the layup if necessary. And remember, you want to wave, make the read. Don't raise up because you're not shooting, and then attack and try to stay low, right? People always say the low man wins. Is that true? A lot of times it does work, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do that same thing, but with a crossover, all right? Now, when you get into that crossover, remember, it's the same thing. You're not letting the crossover raise you up. You're staying low in the crossover. You're hanging your dribble. You're seeing what's going on. And then you're taking that angle that you've created for yourself laterally. All right? You're going to do this 5 times and make some finishes as well. And again, Basketball U, get to the free throw line because we're probably a little tired. And we are going to make them. All right? Come on back for a little bit more. You know what, Basketball U, I decided let's go ahead and finish you off with a little fun drill where we're trying to dunk. So we're going to work on our approaches, okay? Remember, we're going off one foot coming from the right wing. We're going to try to dunk it with one hand. Going again off our left foot again, trying to dunk it with 2 hands. Be careful with grabbing on the rim. Then we're going to jump off 2, try and dunk it with 1, jump off 2, try and dunk it with 2. As we continue to progress, remember, you can lower the rim. That way you can actually dunk it. Just don't hang on the rim and hurt yourself. You're going to do that on the other side, working on your approach. This is just elevated jumps, basically, and it's just giving you the opportunity to understand that you need to elevate with the basketball to be a better finisher, okay? And that is what we're working on. And as far as your makes, the dunk makes, let's just do 5. But if you're just attempting it on a big rim, let's just do 5 attempts total, okay? We don't want to over jump. Then we're going to do a rebound drill, which is going to have us jumping again naturally. Okay, we want to make sure we're throwing that ball off the backboard. We're finishing in the air. Okay, we're doing it with 2 hands. We're doing it with 1 hand. And we're just working on the timing of it and trying not to come back down with the ball at times. And that is a very simple drill. And it's a tiring drill, but again, it will help you rebound in a better way. So not so much in the box out aspect, but in regards to being a little bit more aware of being a better rebounder. All right, Basketball U, that is my time. And I'm so very happy to be here with you as I am every day. And I'll continue to provide new footage as I can. And remember, like it, comment on it, and tell somebody about it. It is Basketball U, and you know what to do. Always keep working, always keep grinding, and the reason why is because someone's always working. Are you?